I'll be back around 6 or 7.
6, 7! 6, 7!
What is happening? Did you say 6, 7?
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
Then look at the sign. It says never say 6 or 7.
My first day.
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
Arthur Peterson is mobile. Repeat, code Silver.
Seven. Seven! 6, 7!